Hey everyone, welcome back to my STL playlist, and today we are going to see a very important concept around uh, STL vectors and arrays and raw arrays actually. So, so I've had people who ask me what does this notation actually mean? If I write, I've seen there are a lot of people who are confused about this notation. Like, what do you call this? Like, do you call this a vector of arrays, or do you call this an array of vectors? Think about it. Pause the video and think about it, and comment in the uh, video. What is it called? Either is it called uh, an array of vector, or it's called a vector of arrays. So I hope you guys would have given it some thought, and so the answer is this is an array of vector of integers. How? So, like, whatever data type you have, you can think of it like this. If let's say this is my data type D, and then you have this braces 5, so this means that you're declaring an array of size 5, and all of the element of this array would be able to store this data type D. So this array would look like this: D D1, D, let's say DD1, DD2, DD3, DD4, and D5. So it has a size of 5, and all the elements D1, D2, D3, D4 and D5 are of type this data type. Okay, so we call this an array of size 5 which holds an array of D which has a size 5. Similarly, we can say this is an array of vector of int with size 10. Let me write it down: an array of vector int with size 10. So what does size 10 mean? Size 10 means that size 10 means that there can be 10 such vector elements, 10 vector objects. Okay, so let's see more example. Let's say if you try to answer it yourself. If we have int p40, what does this mean? This is an array of integers, and the size of that array is 40. So here you can have 4, 5, 6, whatever, that's it. And all of the size of this p can be at max 40, and all the elements in this array is an integer. Similarly, if you say let's say double d 10, which means that this is an array, this D is an array which can contain only double, and the size of all the element, and the size of this array D is 10. So yes, I hope this was clear to you. So as a small homework, try to think about what would a array of string would look like, and the size of the array should be let's say 15. Okay, yeah, I hope this was useful. Thank you, goodbye, take care.